So let's see how we can use SME in our dashboard items. In our application, in the orders model, let's say we want to see the total of our orders. Let's add a new dashboard item. We'll name it total orders, choose the application, the data source will be SME, and let's add a new one. Let's select function sum. We'll choose field value, item domain, and the field from order model, we'll choose the total field. And because we are using the items domain, that means we have to set the condition that will give us the items that we need. Let's add an SME condition. Let's choose the function in current week or in current month. And then we'll choose item search result. And we will choose the field from orders model, the order date. And what's that mean? We will sum all the totals of orders in a specific domain, and the domain condition to be the order date and the current month. Let's add new. Now let's try to change one of the orders date. And now, as you can see, the value has changed because one of the orders now is not only current month. We can also use the SME inside the report. Here we have orders report. Let's say we want to see the average for sale. Let's edit the report. Let's add an SME field. We'll name it total average. The section will be on header. And let's add new. The function will be average. And we'll choose field value. And then current report. And let's choose the total field. Create. Let's check that.